Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patsupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. Hey, Kia. Hey, Kia.
Yes, it's Kia. Can you see the bright colour on the Kia's wings? Do you know what colour that is?
Karaka, orange.
Karawe, that's excellent. Karaka, orange. Do you want to know something special about Kia?
Aye.
Kia are very smart birds. Probably as smart as you, yeah.
Ooh.
And don't forget, they love to kani dance. Kōreri koito?
Aye.
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani dance and waiata sing with us?
Me kani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai omoe na e hoa ma. Matike, maranga, neti matatata kite kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Pāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka o mati no te rawa e. Are whanawhiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kaku o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa ma? Matike, maranga. Ooh.
What is that Kia has given to you?
Aua.
Tākaro tribe. That's Papa Rākau calling you. I'm sure he'll be able to tell you what Kia gave you. Haere rā. Off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, wakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau.
Did you enjoy dancing with the Kia?
Aira.
Me, Haro. Amazing. I see you've brought something along with you. What do you think this is?
Aira.
Is it maro? Hard?
Ai, maru. Hai.
Is it empty inside? Tahanga?
Ai, tahanga.
Does something go inside of it?
Ai, ki roto.
Do you think you could use it for drinking?
Ai.
It's a kapu.
Kapu. Yay!
Me, Haro. Amazing. It's time for us to visit some friends.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. Looks like the tamariki are thirsty. They have a drink of wai Māori, fresh water. They pour the water from the jug into the kapu. Time for a drink. Reka. Delicious. What colour are the kapu?
Kakariki. Mawhiro. Karaka. Waiporoporo. Kikorangi.
Ka kite anō ia koutou.
Kapu.
Did you know the word kapu begins with the letter K?
Ka.
Shall we learn how to write the letter K?
Ai.
K. Make a line down the side. Then draw another line from the top across to the left. Then draw down to the right. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down the side. Then down to the left. And down to the right. K.
Yay!
Miharo. Amazing. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What did you learn about today?
Kapu.
Kapu. Let's spell it.
Wah.
Do you think we need a w?
Cow. Huh.
Do you think we need a p?
I.
Do you think we need an a?
I.
Do you think we need a n?
Cow. Cat.
Look, a k. Do we need a k?
Need cat. I. Ooh.
Do you think we need an oo?
I.
Karawe. Excellent. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Kapu. Can you tell me the sound the word begins with?
K.
Ka pai. Ke. Now try sounding out the word kapu.
Kapu. K. A. P. U.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
K. A. Ka. P. U. Poo.
Did you manage to spell the word kapu?
Ka. Poo. Kapu. Kapu. Yay!
Tino pai. Very good. I knew you could do it.
It's maro, hard. You can put a drink in it. Kapu. It's a kapu.
What a fun day, Tagaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tagaro tribe.
Pōmarie.
Titiro. Here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaro tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.